If you can feel the freshness of the air here, you feel all nature, fresh air. Let's boost your energy, relax your mind. Wow, very nice, really very nice. Welcome back, my dear friends. Today we came here to area which is known as Wadi Saham. It's located in the state of Fujairah. Actually, there is a hiking trail here known as Riham hiking trail. So today we will explore that trail. Be with me. The trail is there in these mountains. You see, I will zoom it with my mobile. So that is the trail where finally we will go. Let me zoom it. Yeah, there we will reach. So let's explore it, how the trail is. So let's get out of the car and park here. There is plenty of parking free. And I'll take my bag. Lock my car. Yes. Keep the key inside the car. So we'll start our hiking. It's a good day. There's cloudy. Not too much cloudy, but at least you can see sky is blue. There's beautiful clouds. So we start. Actually, it's 3 o'clock of the evening. I think the trail is 6 kilometer round trail. So it will take 2 hours at least to come back. So we'll see. It's a nice looking from the beginning because the weather is nice. It's not that much sunny. Otherwise, if you came here the sunny day, it will be a little difficult because there is no trees here, so all your way be along the open sun. Nice, beautiful. The name of the trail is a Riham hiking trail. Wow, beautiful. So we will see what is the situation of the trail. It is easy, moderate or difficult, but it's look easy because it's a loop trail actually, round trail. So it's 6.6 kilometer, and here is all the information. It's actually under Fujairah Adventure. So the name of the trail you can see, it's a Riham hiking trail, and elevation is 762 meters and distance 6.5 kilometer. This 6.5 kilometer actually it's a round trip, so hopefully we'll cover quickly. These all the instructions. If you want to come, just follow these instructions. Okay, so let's go. I love the day. It's a midday actually. Now 3 o'clock. We start 3 o'clock, like afternoon time. So hopefully we'll finish before the sunset, and we'll come back safely because we park there. There's a lot of parking, open space. This area actually it's a valley known as Wadi Saham. Wadi actually it's Arabic word for valley. See, the trail is good. It's nice. It's not that much sunny. That's a good thing. When you're coming here in this trail, just came in time so that you complete it in light. Down there is some farms, cattle, there's some agriculture. It's nice. See the bird sounds, beautiful and relaxed feeling, nature all the way. Wow, amazing. Even the air is also cold and fresh. It's not that much hot as usual here, but today it's actually the month of November. Today is 28th November, Friday, and I came here Wadi Saham to explore the trail known as the Riham hiking trail. Wow, beautiful, isn't it? Really beautiful. Love it. The sun has captured the clouds and already open is good for us, so we complete our trail in a nice way. See, down there is a farm. So sounds of cattle, birds, all the village vibes. Wow, beautiful, really beautiful, really beautiful. Pigeons. Love it. In the beginning it's very easy. Let's see, it's come after us. Private property, and here this is the gate of the trail. So open it, and same way we close it. Now we're officially enter to the Riham hiking trail. Nice, very nice. So far we cover 540 meters. Still we are in the start of the trail. It's okay. The good thing is that today is not that much sunny. I think now we came to the rocky portion. There's a lot of rocks. See, these are steps. After that, this I think 15 or 10 minutes. This is all rocky portion. So I'll try to cover it quickly, but take care, because a wrong step will make for you a problem. And follow the trail. See, trail is very prominent. You come, you will know which way to go. So this signal, signs. Just follow the trail. Oh. Good. So far so good. See, we will go there. Behind this mountain there is the summit, but always between these mountains. After that we will gain elevation. So nice, really. Take care here. I think this 10 to 15 minutes all is a rocky portion, so here little take care, because it's little technical, not that much, just take care. This is our way. Yes. Yes. This is our train. I think almost we cover the rocky portion. If you see, all area we covered. I think this was all about the rocks. Oh, it's a steep kind of trail. Let me see. Wow, nice. Oh, I think this down portion, if there is rain, all the water will be flowing down, and this way they will follow. That's why there's little sign of water. Okay, let's go. Now all we will go up. It's a steep. So our trail is still continue. Now it is 30 minutes. 30 minutes already. We cover these rocky portion, start portion, and after that little steep portion. But further, we'll go behind these mountains. See, there's the moon. Okay, let's go. Because we don't have time. It's very important time. Let's complete our trail in time. Oh, what a view. The sun is covered by the clouds. Oh, nice. Oh, beautiful. After 36 minutes we reach a little smooth surface. It's not that much steep. Explore all these area from down. Now little relax kind of vibes. Wow, see the sky. It's amazing. Sun is covered by the clouds. I'm all alone in nature. Oh, that is our summit. If I can show you, we go there. Right, we go there. See you. Now it's 3:39. That means almost in 40 minutes we reach here to this point. 2600 meter, 2.6 kilometer Riham Trail. Oh, if I can show you, I think our summit is there. See there we will have to reach. If I can zoom it with my mobile, I'll try it so that you people can watch. This is our final summit. This is the end point of Riham Trail, the flag of United Arab Emirates. And this is the state of Fujairah, Riham hiking trail. And so let's continue quickly there, move quickly there, so that we can reach there before the sunset, and we should come back safely to our parking, so that everything we should cover in the light. Wow, nice. There's a plane going down, a plane in the sky. If you can feel the freshness of the air here, you feel all nature, fresh air. It's boost your energy, relax your mind. Wow, very nice, really very nice. Time 3:45. Oh. Oh, beautiful, isn't it? Look at it. Time now it's 3:51, and I think only 10 minutes we are away from our final destination, the summit of Riham hiking trail. Wow, look at the view of sun. Come all the way down this trail, down these valleys. From there we just came up from there. Oh, how beautiful it was. Really, it was very beautiful. And look, the fresh air. It's boost your energy, fresh your mind, relax your soul. Good. See, this is our destination, the flag of UAE. So maybe it's like 5 minutes. It's a final push. Wow, nice. It's good. So we almost reach, but look the view here down. Wow, there is the Sea of Fujairah, beach of Fujairah, and city of Fujairah. Down here it's the valley of Al Hail, and there is Kalba lost. But yeah, it's the beauty. This is the beauty. When you reach to the top, you will see the rest of the world. That's why if you reach the top, your feeling is different, really. See now, it's down. What is the view? Look at it. It's beautiful. And here is our final summit. Almost reach here. Wow, great. Wow. Yes, that's here we reach 4,000 meter. That means 4 kilometer. Look at me. Wow. And this is, if you see down there's a road where I parked my car. From there we came all around between these mountains. There was rocky portion. After that we come some steep portion, then with the zigzag kind of trail, you all reach here in the time. It's 4 o'clock and 1 hour from car to here. And this is here we are. Nice. My dear friend, so I will show you where we park the car. I will zoom with the camera. Let me zoom it. Oh, see, there is our Jeep where we park, and after that we reach here to this beautiful summit, Riham hiking trail. Wow, wow, beautiful, really beautiful. So my dear friends, now it is 4:16. I think we should go quickly from here so that we reach our car and before the sunset. So let's go from here. I think down it will not take too much time because it's not that much climbing, only you will have to go quickly. So it was actually a nice trail, very nice. We take 1 hour. We start our trail from the car 3 o'clock. We reach here to the summit 4 o'clock. So it was 4 kilometer trail and we cover in 1 hour. It's a moderate, not difficult, not that much easy because there was some rocky portion which was little technical and there was some steep portion, but overall it was nice trail for you. If you want to cover it, just before sunrise, because if you catch sunrise here, it will be a very beautiful view with this Fujairah sea, beach of Fujairah and all these valleys, and the weather will be also nice. That will be not too much hot. See, we are coming down from the summit, and here this signboard, and the summit it was 4 kilometer. Now it is 4200 meter, that means 4.2 kilometer, because that distance it's counted. So this is down way. We climb on that way, now it's down way. So total they mention it is, I think, 7 kilometer, because down way it's I think small distance, it's not that much big. So we'll cover quickly. So that was our summit. So we are going down. Now the time is 4:25. We start there from 4:16. Now 4:26, 10 minutes. And we cover too much distance, because I told you that when you're coming down it's very easy and quickly you will cover the distance. See, even the trail is also nice. So far so it's nice and smooth. But since we have a short time, so before the darkness came, should reach there. Our car, I think will reach easily, because still, if you can see, the sun is still above. We will reach on time. Yes, our travel continue till dawn. I think this area is best for camping. If someone want to come, this is the halfway actually, because it's a kind of base camp. See, we came down all from that peak, that summit. That was the final point of Riham hiking trail. And here, if someone want to camp, it's a nice smooth area for camping, a lot of area. So you can hike till here, stay here for a night. It's safe, but bring all the requirements like food, tent, and early in the morning you can go there. See, now if you, I can show you how much distance we cover. It's 5.5 kilometer. On the summit it was 4 kilometer and 5.5 kilometer. That means when we are coming down, 1.5 kilometer we cover, and still we will continue. Now the time is 4:33 and we are still coming down. Look, if the sun is hiding behind the clouds, but still I think we have time left before it's going down. We can reach safely. See, this portion is little zigzag. It's little slippery, so take care. It's not that much difficult, but just take care in case. Don't be hurry. Be safe. So now time is 4:45 and this we almost reach. I think maybe only 3 or 5 minutes away, then we will find the road, and from this road after that our car is parking there. So, and look at the position of sun. I think still we have enough time, so that before the darkness we can reach there. So yes friend, finally we came down to the road, see, and still the sun we have, and now we are going towards our car. That is our jeep. We reach safely. And the time is 4:51. So that there is our jeep, and we reach finally. And if I can show you what exactly is the time, it's 4:52. We start our trail from here like this, and we can go to that summit. After that we come back. Now the time is 4:52. We start from here 3 o'clock and 4:52. That means almost 2 hours. So 1 hour from here, then we rest a little bit, and maybe 45 minutes from here. Okay, let's go back. Okay friend, see you next video. Maybe you'll find some good trail next time. Okay, stay tuned. Thank you so much for your watching.